Hi friends, so good to kind of see you again. Alright, so we're gonna be at circle time. Circle time. So, that's my doggy. Hi! Look, during circle we look, listen, we sit quietly, shh. We sit crisscross applesauce. We have hands and feet to ourselves, and we raise our hands to talk. Okay? So we're gonna do a song.
Before the firefighter gets to work, he does a fire engine check. Before the pilot gets to work, she does an airplane check. Before I get to work, I do a body check.
Head, shoulders, knees, toes.
Before I get to work, I do a body check.
Eyes, ears, mouth, nose.
Ready for my body check. Check 1. My voice is quiet. Check 2. My body feels calm. Check 3. I'm looking at my teacher.
Eyes on me.
Check 4. I'm ready to follow directions. Before the firefighter gets to work, he does a
Get your hose.
fire engine check. Before the pilot gets to work, she
Airplane.
does an airplane check. Before I get to work, I do a body check.
Head, shoulders, knees, toes.
I do a body check.
Alright, good job, friends. Now I'm gonna read you a story, and then we're gonna do one more song, and then circle time will be all finished. Alright, so like this book is called Jungle Noises. Jungle Noises. Chirp, chirp. Look, the bird goes chirp, chirp. Can you do that? Chirp, chirp. Or tweet, tweet. Look, what about the snake? The snake goes. You try. The frog goes croak, croak, ribbit, 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 ribbit. This bird goes caw, caw. The tiger goes raw, raw. The monkey goes eat, 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 eat. You try. Good job. The cheetah goes rah, rah. The fish goes snap, 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 snap. The end. Those are all the jungle noises. Did you like that book? Yes or no? Yes or no? Which one? I liked it. Alright, we're going to do one more song about washing our hands. We need to make sure we're being really safe right now.
got germs on my fingers. I got germs on my fingers. I got germs on my fingers. What am I gonna do? Get 'em off, get 'em off, get 'em off, get 'em off. Tell those germs to get lost.
Washing hands, step 1. I put water on my hands.
I put water
Put water on.
my hands.
Turn your faucet on.
I put water on my hands.
Get 'em off,
Get 'em off, get 'em off, get 'em off. Tell those germs to get lost.
Washing hands, step 2. I put soap on my hands.
Get your soap.
I put soap
Push,
on my
push the soap. Push, push. Or you can grab your bar.
soap on my hands.
Push, push, push.
get 'em off, get 'em off, get 'em off, get 'em off. Tell those germs to get lost.
Washing hands, step 3. I rub my hands together.
Ready?
I
Rub.
my hands together.
Top. Other top.
Now I rub my hands
Fingers.
together.
Get 'em off, get 'em off,
Get 'em off, get 'em off. Tell those germs to get lost.
Washing hands, step 4. I dry my hands.
Now I dry my hands.
Pat, pat, pat. Pat, pat, pat. Or you can use your towel.
Now I dry my
Pat, 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 pat. Pat, pat, pat.
I got germs on my fingers. I got germs on my fingers. I got germs on my fingers. What am I gonna do?
All right, friends. That was our last song for today. Look. Circle time is going, gone. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.